To this now, 4 Cape Town police officers linked to a 20 million rands jewellery heist will be back in court tomorrow. They appeared in the Wynberg Magistrates Court today. Nasiphi Same is there with the latest. Nasiphi, their bail application will continue tomorrow. Accused number 1, Jacobus Groenewald, spent a lot of time on the stand today, but we left those proceedings about an hour ago or so. Tell us what happened in the time that we missed the proceedings.
Well, Jacobus Groenewald took the stand last week to give testimony. Today, the court allowed for the state to cross-examine him, and there were quite a number of startling revelations, if one may say, to the cross-examination, where the state put forward a number of statements based on the investigations by the investigating team submitted as part of evidence. One of those being the admission by Groenewald that he altered the number plates of the vehicles that they were traveling in. If you'll remember, Vuyo, the suspects that are before the Wynberg Magistrate Court are all police officers. 3 of them are part of the unit called Operation Restore, 1 being stationed at the Bellville police station. And we understand that a vehicle driven by Groenewald, another vehicle attached to Samora Michelle, driven by another constable. It is alleged that, or rather, Groenewald admitted on the stand that he altered those number plates, saying that it was for their safety, seeing that when one enters Lindadnon, the upmarket suburb in Cape Town, there were a number of number plates, and they feared that just having access to the original number plates to these vehicles by SAPS would reveal who they were. We understand that those number plates that they altered belong to also SAPS, however, in different provinces. With that being said, he went as far as saying that, or rather, the state questioned him about one of the people that found them at the residence, which is a private security vehicle operating in that suburb. It is believed that Groenewald also indicated that he was a Sergeant Bucas, which is not his name. It's alleged also that the private security officer, the investigating officers did obtain a statement from that officer, and it is said that Groenewald was found near his vehicle breathing heavily. So, you know, it will be quite interesting as the days progress while Groenewald is on the stand, so far as what else the state will uncover. You know, seeing the basis of the cross-examination was his testimony of last week, where he was quite emotional, saying that he had been a police officer for 17 years and that nothing like this has ever happened, and that he said last week that perhaps in hindsight they could have done things differently. However, they were just executing their jobs, which were to trace 2 suspects that they believed were on an international and local wanted list, and also in the country illegally.
Quick one, Nasiphi, what do we expect to happen tomorrow when Groenewald reappears?
We can expect the state again and Groenewald to take center stage. As I did mention that last week, Groenewald did give his testimony to court as far as the day itself, what happened, what transpired on that particular day. So the state will continue to poke holes to his testimony, including here and there, sharing with the courts what exactly the investigating officers have on these 4 police officers.
That's where we're going to leave it for now. Nasiphi Same wrapping the day for us. Jacobus Groenewald expected back at court tomorrow morning.